Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your Oracle VM VirtualBox so your virtual machines run faster and smoother. Let's get started. First, if your virtual machine is running, go ahead and power it off completely. Next, right-click on the virtual machine you want to optimize and click on Settings. Click on the Display tab. Make sure Enable 3D Acceleration is turned on. Then, drag the video memory slider all the way to the maximum. Head over to the System tab. Adjust the base memory so it stays in the green zone, don't overload it. Now click on Processor. And do the same. Set it based on how many cores you have. If you've got 4, set it to 2 or 3, but keep it green. Click OK to save. Launch your virtual machine again. If you don't see the top menu, press your host key plus C, usually right Control plus C, to bring it up. Click on Devices. Select Insert Guest Additions CD Image. Now open File Explorer inside the VM, go to this PC, and open the CD drive that says Guest Additions. Double-click and scroll down to find the 64-bit installer. Then run it. Click Yes, then Next, Next again, and install. Once that's done, your VM should feel way faster and smoother. If you ever face lag again, just repeat this process to reinstall the guest additions. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.